Most people don't realize they bought the wrong bike rack until they're halfway down the highway watching their bikes shake like they're about to fly straight into traffic. And trust me, cheap racks fail at the worst possible moment. Broken straps, bent frames, scratched paint. I've seen people ruin $1,000 bikes because they tried to save $50 on the carrier. So I tested some of the most popular bike racks you can actually buy right now on road trips, rough backroads, daily commutes, and emergency last-minute hauls to figure out which ones are actually worth your money and which ones just look good online. And if you've ever bought a car accessory that felt solid for about 2 weeks before turning into junk, hit subscribe because we test this stuff the way real drivers actually use it. I've also linked updated prices and deals for every rack down below, and if you're not sure which one fits your car, drop your vehicle in the comments and I'll help you out personally. Starting at number 5, the Young Bike Rack Hitch for Car. This one surprised me more than I expected. The first thing you notice is how much heavier and sturdier it feels compared to a lot of the no-name hitch racks flooding Amazon right now. It uses a steel frame construction that doesn't flex around every bump, and it's designed for standard 2-inch hitch receivers, which already makes it a better fit for SUVs and trucks. The foldable design is honestly more useful than it sounds too. When you're not carrying bikes, it folds up tight enough that you're not constantly smashing your shin into it in the garage. It also comes with adjustable cradles and safety straps that hold the bikes tighter than most budget racks in this price range. Now here's where this thing actually impressed me. In real-world driving, it stays way more stable than I expected from a lower-cost hitch rack. I tested it with 2 mountain bikes on uneven roads and there was very little wobble. That matters more than you think because excessive movement is exactly what loosens cheap racks over time. Most buyers don't realize the real test isn't the first drive, it's after weeks of vibration, rain, dirt, and highway speed. The only downside? The included straps aren't the highest quality I've seen. They work fine, but if you're hauling expensive carbon bikes regularly, you'll probably upgrade those eventually. Still, for the money, this thing punches way above its class. But the next rack fix is one of the biggest annoyances trunk racks usually have. At number 4, the Saris Bones Car Trunk Bicycle Rack Carrier. This rack has been around forever, and honestly, there's a reason people keep buying it. The curved frame design isn't just for looks. That arched structure actually helps distribute weight better across the back of the car, and the injection molded construction keeps it lighter than older metal trunk racks. You can feel the difference immediately when installing it. It doesn't feel like you're wrestling a gym machine onto your car. The anti-sway straps are also a huge upgrade over the cheap dangling systems you see on bargain racks. Plus, it fits an insane number of vehicles. Sedans, hatchbacks, even some smaller SUVs. And this is where things get interesting. After testing it on multiple cars, I realized why so many cyclists swear by this thing for everyday use. It's ridiculously fast to install once you learn the strap setup. Seriously. After a few tries, you can mount this thing in minutes. That's huge if you ride regularly. Most people don't want to spend 20 minutes setting up a rack every weekend. The rack also holds bikes more securely than most trunk-mounted options I've tested. The downside? Like all trunk racks, you still need to be careful with paint contact and strap tension over long trips. Dirt trapped underneath can eventually leave marks if you ignore it. But if you want a lightweight rack that's practical and dependable without spending hitch rack money, this is still one of the safest bets out there. Now if you carry multiple bikes often, the next one changes the game completely. At number 3, the MaxxHaul Hitch Mount 4 Bike Rack. This thing is built for families, group rides, and people who are tired of playing bike Tetris every weekend. The steel construction feels seriously overbuilt, and honestly, that's exactly what you want in a 4-bike rack. Once you start loading multiple bikes, weak racks expose themselves fast. The swing-down feature is also incredibly useful because you can still access the rear of the vehicle without removing the entire setup. A lot of people overlook that until they're stuck unloading bikes in a grocery store parking lot just to grab something from the trunk. In actual use, this rack handles weight surprisingly well for the price. I loaded it with a mix of mountain bikes and heavier cruiser bikes, and it stayed stable even at highway speeds. Here's what most buyers don't realize, though loading 4 bikes without frame interference is an art form. The adjustable cradles help a lot, but you still need to stagger the bikes carefully. That's normal for almost every multi-bike rack, by the way. The cheap versions usually fail here because the bikes constantly slam into each other. This one does a much better job minimizing movement. The only real drawback is the overall weight. You definitely feel it during installation. But once it's mounted, that extra heft actually becomes part of why it feels secure. Now we're getting into the racks I'd personally trust for long-distance road trips. At number 2, the Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack. This rack is probably one of the best examples of simple done right. No unnecessary gimmicks. No overcomplicated mechanisms. Just a proven design that works. The fully assembled setup is a massive win because most people hate dealing with complicated instructions and loose hardware. You basically pull it out, unfold it, adjust the straps, and you're ready to go. The padded lower frame also protects the vehicle surprisingly well, and the tie-down system keeps the bikes from swaying around excessively during turns and braking. After weeks of testing, this became one of my favorite racks for casual riders and commuters. It's lightweight, easy to store, and honestly one of the least frustrating racks to live with daily. That matters. People focus so much on carrying capacity that they forget convenience determines whether you'll actually enjoy using the thing. The rack also stays impressively stable for a trunk-mounted design if you tighten everything correctly. The downside? It's not ideal for super heavy electric bikes. Most trunk racks aren't. But for standard road bikes, hybrids, and mountain bikes, this thing delivers incredible value without feeling cheap. And now, the number 1 pick. The one I'd trust when the bikes are expensive, the trip is long, and failure is absolutely not an option. The Allen Sports Deluxe Locking Quick Release 4-Bike Carrier. This is where budget-friendly meets genuinely dependable. The locking quick release system immediately makes life easier because removing or adjusting the rack doesn't become a whole project. The steel construction feels solid without being absurdly heavy, and the individual tie-down cradles do a much better job controlling bike movement than most people expect at this price point. It's also designed with long-haul use in mind. You can tell from the stability once it's fully loaded. Here's where this rack really separates itself. In real-world highway driving, it inspires confidence. And that's something you cannot fake with bike racks. Either you trust it, or you spend the entire trip checking your mirrors every 30 seconds. I loaded this thing with 4 bikes during a weekend trip, hit rough pavement, potholes, sudden braking the works, and it stayed planted. The locking feature also adds peace of mind when stopping at gas stations or hotels. Most people don't think about security until a bike disappears. The only minor complaint is that loading 4 bikes still takes some patience, especially with different frame shapes. But honestly, that's true for almost every 4-bike setup on the market. So here's the breakdown. If you want the best budget-friendly hitch option, the Young Rack gives you incredible value for the money. The Saris Bones is perfect for riders who want lightweight convenience and broad vehicle compatibility. The MaxxHaul is great for bigger families or group rides. The Allen Sports 2-Bike Rack is probably the smartest choice for everyday commuters and casual cyclists. But overall, the Allen Sports Deluxe Locking Quick Release 4-Bike Carrier is the one I'd choose if reliability matters most. Because at the end of the day, a bike rack isn't just carrying bikes. It's protecting your investment, your road trip, your weekend plans, and sometimes your safety too. Check the links below for updated prices and deals, subscribe if you want more real-world automotive reviews without the marketing nonsense, and drop your car or bike setup in the comments if you want help choosing the right rack for your vehicle.